Hi, my name is Maxim, and this is episode 10. And so, yeah. So we left it on this part. And then I have to put this on here like that. And then I have to put it this black thing right here. And then I need these two blues. Oh, and this is the last thing. Of this thing. So yeah. I need this brownish black stick and put it right in here. Like that. And then put it like that, and then I need this. Put it like this, and then I need to put it like this, and then to put it on this side. Like that. And yeah. Like that. And yeah. Yep. And this is the end of this whole entire video. There's no more episodes because I'm done with it. So here they are. And then I can show you a little. And then you can fly over there like that. So, yeah. So, see you again. Bye. Bye.